The initial step we need to take is to divide the rabbit into uniform pieces. Then we will do the same with the chicken. After chopping the meat, we will proceed to cut the vegetables, including the garofon, the tabela, and the beans. With the already chopped vegetables, we will cut the tomato and grate it. Afterwards, we'll peel the garlic and chop it into extremely tiny pieces. We'll prep the previously dried saffron. With all the ingredients ready, we turn on the heat and then we add the oil to the mixture. And with the hot oil, we add the meat that has been previously salted and slowly fry it until it is cooked thoroughly. After frying the meat, we add the vegetables and fry them.
Subsequently, incorporate the garlic, paprika, tomato, and saffron into the mixture to enhance the flavor and aroma of the dish.
Following that, we proceed to add a total of 2 liters of water along with the Fran color. Subsequently, we incorporate the deceived snails into the sun and allow the entire mixture to cook for a duration of 10 minutes. Then, we spread the rice over the entire surface and let it cook over high heat for 8 minutes. Next, remove from heat to cook over low flame for an extra 10 minutes, ensuring it reaches the socarrat point of perfect caramelization.